um, previously we got one error, that is I mean statements are not available in the financial statements. Okay, so for this you can just go to the transaction code again, OB53. For your reference only I am telling you, OB53. So when you carry forward the balance with the chart of accounts, then only it will create, give accounts. Account is 100 100. Give 100 100 here account. 100 100. You can just go to the save button and save it. No issue. You can just enter. Yes, go to the save button and save it. Okay. So that is why in the FS00 only it is showing GL account cannot be created without the financial statements. What is the financial statement? This is a balance carry forward. మనం బ్యాలెన్స్ క్యారీ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేసిన అకౌంట్ ఇస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి GL accounts create అవుతుంది. Otherwise it will not create. This is one more error you just need to keep in your mind. Okay, you just come back to the FS00. FS00 కి వచ్చేసాయి. FS00 కి వచ్చేసాయి. Okay, see, go to the create option once again. Give the GL account 400 300. Yes, click on the enter option. Now it is taking. Yes, so this is a administration cost is what we say, this is a P&L account, right? Okay, you can just go to the account group here. Account group. Account group. Yes, here there is a drop down option is there, right? Here you can just take administration cost. Yes, here give the short text here, description. Come down, give short text is rent account. Here give the long text is what we say, rent account only. Rent account. Yes, rent account. You can just go to the control data. Here there is a account currency, right? Yes, India is the account currency. You can just come back. I will give you the total information. What is the tax category, valuation group, reconciliation account type, why we need to give inflation keys, and the tolerance group, why we need to give the tolerance group, and also inflation keys. I will give you all the information. Don't worry. You can just come down. Here there is a line item display, right? So when you click on the line item display, what is the line item display? This means, so when you post anything in the GL accounts and also FB50 or FB60 or FB70, okay, in that GL line items only, whether you are giving document currency, whether you are company code, business area, cost center, profit center, all these will be displayed with the help of line item display. That is very, very important. You can just click on the line item display. ఈ లైన్ ఐటమ్ డిస్ప్లే ఎందుకు ఉపయోగపడుతుందంటే, నువ్వు డేటా అనేది సర్చ్ చేసుకుంటున్నప్పుడు, అంటే FBL1N లో కానీ, FBL3N లో కానీ, FBL5N లో కానీ, ఓకే, ఇలా నువ్వు క్రియేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నప్పుడు నీకు లైన్ ఐటమ్ డిస్ప్లేస్ రావాలి అంటే డాక్యుమెంట్ కరెన్సీ రావాలి, లోకల్ కరెన్సీస్ రావాలి, కాస్ట్ సెంటర్స్ రావాలి, ప్రాఫిట్ సెంటర్స్ రావాలి అని అనుకుంటే ఈ లైన్ ఐటమ్ డిస్ప్లే అనేది తీసుకోవాలి. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ షార్ట్ కీ ఉంది కదా, షార్ట్ కీ దగ్గరకు వచ్చేసి 001 ఇచ్చేసి 001. See here posting date. మనం పోస్టింగ్ డేట్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని చేస్తాము. See what is the exact meaning of the what we can say, that posting key is there, right? What is the exact meaning? Sorry, that short key. When we display FBL1 and FBL5 and FBL3 and report, okay, by default the report is sorted based on the short key in the master data. Okay, ఏం లేదు, ఈ షార్ట్ కీ ఇచ్చేసామనంటే పోస్టింగ్ డేట్ ఏంటి, డాక్యుమెంట్ డేట్ ఏంటి, డాక్యుమెంట్ కరెన్సీస్ ఏంటి, ఆ డేట్స్ అన్ని క్లియర్ గా ఇచ్చేస్తుంది అనమాట విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ షార్ట్ కీ. ఓకే, సో గో టు ద క్రియేట్ అండ్ బ్యాంక్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్. Here you can just give field status group. here field status group particular GL account ki suppressa optional entry ఇవన్నీ చూపిస్తూ ఉంటుందన్నమాట. Okay, go to the field status group. Yes, drop down option, go to the drop down option. Here you can just give Z001 general with, okay, all text and allocations. Okay, you can just go to the save button and save it. See, we have created which account? Administration rent account. So under this administration cost, okay, so client will tell you like this, I have to have administration cost in your in my GL accounts. Then what you will do, you will create the administration cost. They will post administration cost. Okay, I mean from the end user perspective point of view only I'm telling you. You can just go back, go to the next account group, that is OBD4 slash n OBD4 slash n OBD4 slash n OBD4. Okay, see here we have to create the bank account for the particular vendor, right? See, when you are paying the I mean for you also, for vendor also, we have to create the city banks, sorry, banks only, Citibank, HDFC Bank, Andhra Bank, Karur Vaishya Bank, IDBI Bank, Bank of India, all this. So these all banks are comes under, okay, comes under which group? That is current assets group, right? Right, current asset group, right? Okay, you can just go back to the FS00 current assets. FS00. See here, you can just create. Go to the create option. Here give current assets starts with we have seen earlier, right? That is 200 100 200 100 X. Just click on the S button. Yes. Here the account group is, you have to change. Account group is current assets and loans and advertisements. Here current assets is the balance sheet account, right? Click on the balance sheet account. Yes, give the short text. What is your bank? What is your bank, Ranjit? IDBI. IDBI bank only. Okay, IDBI bank. IDBI space A/C. A/C. Or else you can just give IDBI bank account. You can just give IDBI space bank account. Give the short text. Here go to the control data as it is saying. Go to the control data. Whatever we have done in the administration cost, that is rent account, you can just take out all this line item display and sort key. Take out the sort key here. Control data sort key. 001. Why we need to use the sort key? So already I have told you. Once again, I am telling you, when we display the APL1 and APL3 and APL5 and display, okay, the automatically the posting date, document date will be sorted. Okay, you can just go to the create and bank interest, give field status group. మనం ఆల్రెడీ ఫీల్డ్ స్టేటస్ వేరియంట్, ఫీల్డ్ స్టేటస్ గ్రూప్స్ క్రియేట్ చేశాం కదా. సో అవి క్రియేట్ చేసినాం, ఏం లేదు, ఈ టెక్స్ట్ కానీ లేకపోతే అసైన్మెంట్స్ నెంబర్స్ కానీ లేకపోతే పర్టికులర్ కాస్ట్ సెంటర్స్, ప్రాఫిట్ సెంటర్స్ కానీ సప్రెస్ చేయాలి, రికవర్ చేయాలి, ఆప్షనల్ చేయాలి అని అంటే మనం యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఫీల్డ్ స్టేటస్ గ్రూప్. సో ఇవన్నీ మనం కాపీ చేసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి నీకు వస్తున్నాయి. అందుకే సో Z001 తీసుకో, Z001. You can just go to the save button and save it. Okay, go to the save. Yes, here go to the S button. Yes, save it. So we have created the administration cost. Okay, under this administration cost group account only, we have created the rent account. Under this current assets and loans accounts only, we have created the bank account. So we will go to the invoice posting. Okay, GL invoice posting. What is the GL invoice posting? OB50, right? FB50. Okay, so this is the GL account entry. See here, what is that exact when we pay the rent, okay, to the particular vendor bank account, okay, so what is the exact entry? Rent account debtor to the bank account creditor, right? I think so.
Yes,
When
it is.
rent account, yes. Okay, you can just give the document date. You can just give the document date 08/03/2022. 03/2022. Yes. You can just reference, give the reference also. Give the reference also. Give the reference also. Okay, no issue. You can just log in. FB50. Here give 009. No. 09 is the posting date. I think so, right?
Yes, yes.
09/03/2022. And document data, and also posting date is 08/03. Okay, no issue. Go to the reference. Reference, give anything, a reference one or anything. Document header text says rent paid. Rent paid. Rent paid. Yes. Here, come back to this GL account. Yes, come down. So here, whatever you are whatever you are giving in this fields, so those we can call it as a document header text. And here, whatever you are posting in the line items, we can call it as a document line items. Okay. So go to the GL account. Click on the GL account field. Drop down the option. Drop down. Yes. Here, click on the yes button. Click on the yes button. Chart of accounts we have given. Yes, whatever we have created those GL accounts, it will come. Okay, talk about the rent account. Rent account. Yes. And here there is a debit or credit. What is this? It is a debit or credit?
Debit.
Yes. And then come back to the GL account. Come back to the GL account. Yes, here we have to give the bank account, right? That is credit. Drop down that option. Drop down that option. Yes. Yes. Take out the Citi bank account. Citibank, IDBA bank account, right? I think so. Yes. Here, give the credit. Post one document that is 50,000 or anything. Amount in document currency. Amount in document currency. We are posting the document, right? So local currency means what? Which means which the system is using. Okay. 10,000. Give 10,000 also here. No.
Credit.
A amount. Yes. Give the 10,000. Click on the enter. Enter. Click on the enter. Posting period 0/12/2021 is not open. Okay. So this is one error, right? You can just go to the another screen. Another screen. Another screen. Yes. Go to the transaction code. Variance. These variants, right? This is the 12th period, right? And it is asking for the 2021 open. You can just go to the transaction code. I think so. OB52 variance for openings and closing posting periods.
Yesterday we have opened all the
Yeah, we have opened for the 2022, but this year is ended with the April to March, right? That is 2021 to 22, right? I think so. I mean, we have taken the we are posting on the 2021 account only. Okay, but here this what is that one variance for opening and closing posting periods. So in the 2021 year, what is the starting month? April is the starting month, right? What is the variant that we have taken? Indian variant, right? April to March only. So April was started with the year 2021, right, Ranjit? No. Go to the test button again, no issue.